I don't understand. There's one sitting in the lawn chair eating broccoli, and the other one's sitting on top of a car.
It's good food to good people.
They were putting energy on rocks, and I was like, why didn't they smash my rocks? What the fuck? Hey guys, it's editing me coming on. This video is a lot freaking clearer than the other one. But that whole video is out of focus, and I apologize. I no longer have the SnackCrate anymore because I did let family try some of this stuff, so I don't have it anymore. But if I can, I'll just put pictures on the side of them, and then you guys could just watch my reaction. I should be getting another one next month because I signed up for the subscription, so we'll see how that goes. I'm a little peeved off that it did that, but everything happens for a reason. I hope you guys also enjoyed the intro. It was new. But yeah. Continue on to the video, and I'll see you guys. Okay, so SnackCrate is a company that specializes a specific snacks, and I'll put it on the side of the screen. So you take a quiz on what your vibe is, and I took a quiz, and the first thing I got was Hawaii. Hey guys, it's Amanda. I'm just gonna show you guys what the SnackCrate onboarding looks like. So you click one of these options, whatever you would like. I don't remember which one I clicked. I think I clicked Hawaii, but for the sake of this tutorial for you guys, I'm just gonna click Hawaii. And then they just give you a fun fact. And then you can do whatever you choose. You could do sweet and chocolatey. You could do mix it up, which is recommended usually, and then salty and savory. So I clicked mix it up. Okay, and then you could pick a size, whatever you would like to do. You can do the mini, which I don't know what it is. I think it's 5 to 6 snacks or whatever. This is the original one, and then you could do the family size one. I think the first thing I clicked was the original one. So for the sake of this video, I'll just click this again. And then your custom one is correct. If you did not want to do Hawaii, you can always click Japan, you could click Colombia, or you could do the mystery box, which obviously, like I said, I did that. So let's just say we do click Hawaii. Let's go to checkout. And if you wanted to, you can add a drink for $5.99. So we're just going to click nope, because I just don't feel like doing that. Oops. My last name is on the screen. So yeah, you can get this, your first box, and then you can cancel if you wanted to. And yeah. So if you guys have any other questions, let me know. I think it's monthly. It's a subscription box monthly. But you do whatever you choose. But unfortunately, I didn't want to do Hawaii. I love Hawaii. Never been there, but I would love to go, but I wanted to do a mystery SnackCrate. So we have this. I'm gonna open it. I did open it before I got on camera because I hate the struggle. So we got Canada.
Okay, yeah. So we got Canada. I've never been to Canada before. I actually have a family friend who lives out in Canada. So I'm sure she could honestly curate a box for me. But I think this was really cool. So you get this little pamphlet. It says hashtag Canadian. I was going to say Canadian crate. But it's Canada crate. Sorry, my hair is like... I just want it to look nice. Alright, so it says hashtag can I speak today? Canada crate. And then in here it just gives you a bunch of like fun facts and just like about the population, just a little bit more. Oh, listen to a playlist of our favorite Canadian music here. That's really cool. So we have this. That's when you first like open the box. You get this little SnackCrate sticker, which is kind of cute. They give you like a little bit more information about like their company. And then in here, when you open it, it looks like this. Kind of like wrapped up nicely. And they give you kind of like an outlook of like what is going to be in your box. So I did more of like savory and sweet, so I didn't just get stuck with like one. So it has Juicy Squirts, Thrills Gum, Maple Lollipop, O. Henry, Nestle Smarties, Hawkins Cheesies, Ketchup Chips, Crispy Crunch, Fuzzy Peach, Ruffles All Dressed, and Mr. Big. And then on the side here they show like more of like this recipe on how to make poutine. I've heard of poutine because I watched Lauren DIY, who's from Canada. And it just gives you like the recipe of it. And then if you did get like a drink, it's, I guess, Beck Cola. It says a full Canadian experience in a bottle. This original cola is made in Quebec and sweetened with rich maple syrup. I don't know how these people deal with eating maple syrup all year round. I'd probably get annoyed. So that's in there. I'm only going to try a couple. I don't want to try like the whole box. But when you open it, definitely like, oops, it's like that. They actually pack it quite nicely. So we have the Ruffles All Dress. And when you look at like other countries, you could see that their like, I guess, nutritional facts are a lot different from the United States. So this is the All Dress Ruffles, and on the sheet it actually says, Ruffles All Dress is the most popular chip in Canada, made with paprika and a secret blend of spices that are so good. So I think we're actually going to try the Ruffles All Dress. We have Ruffles here in America, and, sorry, United States, America. So we have this here, but not like the All Dress one. We have like Ruffles Sour Cream, like, I think cheddar. Okay. The thing about this is I get scared if I'm going to get hooked on a snack. And because it's not accessible here, I'm going to get annoyed. Alright. But I think that's what Amazon's for. So we're going to try Ruffles. Honestly, to me, this tastes like a barbecue Ruffles. I don't think they sell it. It tastes really like the Lay's Ruffles. No, sorry. The Lay's barbecue. That's what it tastes like. This has a paprika, but I don't taste paprika in this. Yeah, it's like barbecue-y. I'm not a good reviewer, if you guys could kind of tell. But I don't understand why they say it's like paprika and all that. So that's one of our... I'm going to put it over here on my bed. So that's one of them. Alright, this is the Hawkins cheddar cheese corn snack. This is, I think, their kind of version of Cheetos. Well, it doesn't smell like Cheetos. It smells like the cheddar cheese balls we have here. I'm just gonna try one of them. Okay. Holy shit, this is really salty. Okay. This tastes like the cheddar cheese ball, but I thought it tastes like that. But I think a more accurate way of explaining this is it tastes like the Fritos covered in cheese. That's what I think. It's a little like, very salty. It has 630 milligrams of sodium in it. Holy shit. From that one, I'm just gonna blow up. Okay, I'm gonna take a sip of my water. Oop. Alright, I've heard of this. It's called ketchup chips. I like ketchup. I like chips. So let's see. Canadians have a lot of freaking salt in their shit. It has 300 milligrams of sodium. That's crazy. Alright, this is called the Old Dutch ketchup flavored chips. So are these. Okay, it smells like ketchup. I'm like kind of scared. I've never had like a ketchup chip before. Ooh. Okay, one more try. It's a little tangy. I don't think I'd buy this if I was in Canada. Ooh. The aftertaste is a little weird. I'm not going to try like all of these, but this is the Maynard's Juicy Squirt Berry. Let's see. Ew. Okay. That's not something I would eat, but... Oh. Okay. This is like their Gushers. But like in a... Like... It's like this tiny. But in like berry flavors. I just had the grape one. I think this is the... Cherry. Mmm! This is really good. This is the Maynard Fuzzy Peach. It's like the same company as the other ones. So let's open this up. I'm not the biggest fan of peach, but if it's fuzzy or fizzy, okay. Sorry, ASMR, you could hear me like. It literally tastes like our peach rings, but with like the littlest tiny bit of sugar on top. Okay, so that one. In here, these are, I think these are chocolate to be honest. What are these? Oh, these are chocolate handies covered in brightly colored sugar coating. That's weird to me, but we'll try it. Okay. Literally just Nestle making an M&M. Literally. I see no difference. And I think we're going to leave off because I feel like these are like similar to stuff we have in America. So, or the USA. So that O. Henry bar and the Crispy Crunch, which I think is kind of like a Butterfinger. And then this one is like kind of a Reese's. So I'm going to leave those off. But I'm going to try the Thrills gum. Unfortunately, what I read in that little info is they said it tastes like soap. I'm a little scared. They put a lot of calories in their stuff. Peanut free. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to open it. The reason why I chose... Actually, let me cleanse my palate first. Okay. Let's try this. Apparently, it's rose water gum. Never heard of that. But... Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Why are my napkins in here? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. I'm thoroughly disturbed. I brush my teeth after. Anybody want these? This is disgusting. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go wash my mouth out with maybe actual soap or do a salt rinse. I've never, well, other than the jambalaya that I had like last month, I never had something that tasted that gross. Oh my god. Okay. Well, if any Canadians are around, if you could explain to me why that gum tastes so nasty, let me know. But other than that, I think it's kind of worth it to try another country. Obviously, like, they are not, like, big snacks, but it's something that you could, like, kind of, I don't know, dabble in and try, because obviously right now with COVID, you can't really, like, go anywhere. And this kind of takes you around the world. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I might put a New Year's Eve vlog up, I might not. This might be the last vlog of the year. We'll see what happens, but thank you guys for watching. If you guys can please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys. I think we're going to still do weekly Sunday uploads. Alright, I will see you guys. Have a happy new year. Thank you guys for all your support this year. I really appreciate it. Hopefully we could grow our channel. I say ours because you guys are a part of it. More. So I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.